Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm showing my output to make a sure guide in checking your output. Okay, so I already opened my Kotobi. Okay, so first, the cover page. Then second is the book title. So the book title is the title of your module. Okay. Next is book manager. In book manager, we can see the title of your ebook. Okay. So the publisher is the Olano del Norte. The author is the writer of the module. Then the rights, Department of Education, Region 10. Then you can see in the description your name is written as the developer of the ebook to recognize that you made this ebook. Click OK. So try to see this portion here. So do not change the title of your file. So the title of your file should be should be the title of the module. So do not rename the file name of your output. So like this, Arts 10, Quarter 2, Module 1. So makita naman doon yung sino gumawa nito in the book manager. So we will check this one in Customize by opening Customize. So as we click this part here, these 3 lines, then by clicking the book cover, here you can we can find your name here. Like for example, this one. So my name is in the book cover page. So there is no necessary to change the title of your Kotobi file or EPUB file. So do not change it. Anyway, your name is already in the cover page. Then next, go to copyright. So in the copyright, I think there is no need to make or to attach audio here. So let's proceed to lesson 1. So lesson 1, so I add audio. Okay, so let's check. Even though it has small text or few text.
Digital arts define.
Okay, sorry.
Digital
Let's
arts describe technological arts.
see what
Digital
is
arts
no.
define.
Sorry.
Digital arts
Okay,
describe
table of
technological arts
contents.
with fluid boundaries offering many possible and today's computer artists employ the ever expand.
What's lesson 1? So what's in lesson 1? Lesson 1. So I use text-to-speech app for the audio. Then lesson 1, as you click lesson 1, okay. Under lesson 1 is what's new.
Digital arts define.
So as I open the
Digital
file,
arts
it
describe
automatically
technological arts with fluid
play the
boundaries
audio.
offering many possible interpretations of the terminology.
Okay,
As such,
next.
we now prefer the terms digital
Next
art
activity
and
is what is it?
Today's computer artists
Okay, the
employ
same. So it has
ever-expanding
an
powers of
audio.
image manipulation programs
Next,
and
what's more?
applications to create art elements in the technology-based production.
Okay, so it has also
Rhythm in art is
attached
possibly
audio
one of the most difficult and most important
until
ingredients required for building an interesting
the
composition.
bottom.
Just like in music.
So
the
mine
music
has two, so I will edit or delete the other audio. Okay, this one, so I will delete this one. Okay, so customize. Then what I have learned.
Directions. Fill in the blanks
no.
with the exact terms to complete
What's
each
more?
statement. Art elements in the technology-based production.
So let's check if the last
is possibly one of the most difficult and most
speech
important
is
ingredients required
lines
for
and
building an
patterns.
interesting composition.
So
Just
let's
like
move
in
at
music,
this part.
being played. Rhythm. The rhythm in photography strongly structures an image. Often, the rhythm of a photo generates a movement. Balance. An image is balanced when subject areas command a viewer's attention equally. Emphasis. The subject used to attract the viewer's attention to a particular area or object. Proportion. Proportion is used in photography to give the illusion that something is different in size, but still makes the photo fit together. Variety. Another element which can be played by the photographer
so the
by
text
observing many
and the
elements in a picture. It can be
voice
size,
is
color, or the subject itself.
parallel or
Lines and patterns create a sense of motion.
Tukma po. Okay, the next, let's proceed to what I have learned.
Directions.
So what I have learned, mine is fill in the blank.
Click the line to check your answer. 1. Is computer generated or manipulated visual arts? 2.
When the learner checks his answer, so he just click this blue line.
3.
Okay.
Computer
So the answer is computer digital arts.
4. The evolution
Let's
of mobile
proceed to
phones
the next
denotes the
activity. What I can do.
directions. 1. With
So
the
it
use of
has
any Android
an
or
audio.
smartphones, take a picture
Next
of
is my
anything
assessment.
related. Multiple choice. Direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer by clicking the button beside.
So I also attach
It is known as the
audio to
computer-generated and/or
my
manipulated
assessment.
form of art. A. Computer art. B. Digital art. C. Technology-based art. D. Visual art. 2. In what year did computer digital arts begin?
So every number, mayroon po siyang space para may time po na mag-check si bata ng answer niya. So hindi siya mabilis.
What do you call an artist who produces artworks through digital ways? A. Digital artist. B. Digital art worker. C. Digital worker. D. Digital photographer. 4. The following are some of the basic elements of technology-based arts, except 1. A. Balance. B. Harmony. C. Proportion. D. Dimension. 5. The word phablet came from the words
see, mali
phone
siya.
and laptop.
So,
B. Phone and tablet.
let's
C.
check
Smart.
this one kasi may mali. So, edit. I-check natin. Audio, not the audio, but this one. Ay, sorry. Assessment. So, let's edit. Kasi hindi magkatugma yung voice at saka yung text. So, dito tayo sa option. Then, okay, i-uncheck natin yung randomize. Dapat naka-uncheck yung randomize. Para para hindi po ma-disarrange yung numbers. So, naka-fix na siya. Tapos, edit natin. Okay, ulitin natin. So, assessment. Dito tayo sa assessment.
Multiple choice.
Tingnan natin kung na-fit ba yung text at saka voice.
By clicking the button beside it. 1. It is known as the
Okay.
computer-generated and or manipulated
Okay.
form of
So, pag
art.
naka-check yung
A, computer
randomize,
art.
so magka-interchange yung mga numbers.
D, visual art.
Every time na may magamit doon sa ano,
2.
sa
In what year did computer digital
ebook.
arts begin? The
Pero kung
early
naka-uncheck siya, yun na yun.
1950s, the early
Hindi na magbabago.
1940s. C, early 1960s, D,
Okay,
early
tapos dito na
1920s.
tayo sa references.
3.
So sa references, naka-highlight yung mga URL or yung link po. Pag once na-click yan ni learner, magde-direct doon sa link. Okay. Like for example, this one. So yan ang kinalabasan po. Okay, yan. So, this is it. Okay, I hope through this presentation, you can check your output. Okay, thank you and good day.